What? What? If you just won't quit, then ultimately you will get to your business goals. In 2004, I started my first Millionaires Challenge. And so after starting that, people would always come to me and say, "Fran, how do I become a millionaire? How do I build a seven-figure business?" And then I started to realize that for some people, seven figures was so out of reach and so out of their mind that I started talking about something else. Instead of talking about how you can become a millionaire, which is, maybe important and a goal that you want to get ultimately, let's talk about financial freedom. Because I think we can all wrap our brains around what it means to be financially free. And for me, the definition of financial freedom is having a life that is free of financial drama and financial stress. Okay, that's my definition of financial freedom. Now, you may have a different definition. And more importantly, you have a number that you believe makes you free. So I want you to think of what that number is. Is that number $3,000 a month? Is that number $300,000 a month? What is the number that you believe sets you free? Where all of your worries, your bills, taking care of people that you need to take care of, all of that goes out the window because you have freedom. For me, I don't really have this goal of income or revenue. I have revenue numbers for my businesses, but really I'm always focused on the freedom number. What is that number? I've lived long enough to know what my freedom number is, but what is your freedom number? What is the number that you need to eclipse to make sure that you rest at night? You're not worried about how you're going to take care of your family. You're not worried about how you're going to pay your bills. You're not worried that catastrophe is going to strike and you won't know what to do. Today, before you lay your head on your pillow, figure out what your freedom number is. And then there should be a button on this video or on this page somewhere where you can get access to one of my courses to help you achieve your financial freedom.